In this video, I'll show you how I made a scrappy quilted cushion cover inspired by these lovely roses in my neighbour's garden. I'll cover the process from selecting some scraps, making the roses and leaves, to finishing off the quilting on my 1916 treadle singer. Got some pieces out of the scrap drawer, mainly pinks and reds, but I also wanted something that was a bit more vibrant. So I also selected some yellows and bright blue for the sky. Of course, I had to start by pressing all of those scraps. I found a piece of vintage fabric from my very first quilt, which I decided to include in the cushion, along with some other memory pieces. Looking at the centre of the rose, I decided to make all of the centres gold or yellow coloured. Once I'd found the yellow and gold pieces of scrap, I cut them asymmetrically to be the centre of each rose, and I calculated that I probably need 6 roses for the cushion cover. Actually, I didn't calculate. It was a complete guess. I started by adding the first scrap to one of the sides of the centre. Cut that petal so that it would be in line with the straight edge of the centre, and then selected the next one and sewed that on. Carried on adding petals by making straight edges and then adding the next piece and then trimming to keep it looking like a rose. I then set about making some leaves together with some background. See how this might fit onto the cushion. So the idea was to make some little leaf sections and then attach those to pieces of the sky, which is the glittery blue fabric, and see how it's going to fit together. I've never actually done this before, so it was a bit of a voyage of discovery. I cut two triangular contrasting pieces of green and then surrounded them with two triangles of the sky fabric so that I had a little fan shape. Much easier to make these if you chain piece them through like this. I made more than I needed so that I could be creative. So now I had a selection of leaf pieces and I found some more orange centres for the rest of the roses, including on the far left, my vintage piece that I found in the scrap drawer. Here's the 6 roses and they've each got a little leaf attached. So my aim is to surround each rose with the glittery sort of sky fabric that I picked. I'm hoping that I've got sufficient to do that with. I'm going to have to cut some of them down a bit. Some of them I think are a bit too big. That's not rose shaped, is it? It's a bit too angular. So case of adding pieces until it's built up and they're surrounded by the lining, the background fabric. I've got some spare leaves there as well. Started to run out of my blue glittery sky fabric, so I had to go back through the scrap drawer, and thankfully I found a bit more. Now's the fun bit. We get to quilt the rose top onto the cushion background. Decided to do this on my 1916 treadle singer.